Project management methodologies are structured approaches or frameworks that guide the planning, execution, and completion of projects. Different methodologies suit various project types, sizes, and industries. Here are some of the popular project management methodologies. Waterfall methodology, sequential and linear approach. Divided into distinct phases, e.g., requirements, design, implementation, testing, maintenance. Progress moves in one direction, and each phase must be completed before moving to the next. Example: building a bridge. Phases: planning, design, construction, testing, maintenance. Each phase must be completed before moving to the next. Agile methodology, iterative and incremental approach. Emphasizes flexibility and collaboration. Delivers a minimum viable product, MVP, in short iterations, sprints, and adapts to changes quickly. Example: software development. Sprints. Short development cycles, 2-4 weeks. Emphasis on collaboration, adaptability, and delivering a minimum viable product, MVP. Beyond the barnyard. Dissecting the agile chicken and pig metaphor. The cartoon of chickens and pigs is a metaphor commonly used in agile methodologies, particularly in the context of Scrum, to represent the level of commitment and involvement of individuals in a project. Chickens are considered observers or stakeholders in a project. They are involved in the project, interested in its progress, but not fully committed to its success. Chickens may attend meetings and provide input, but they are not directly responsible for the day-to-day work and outcomes. Pigs. Pigs, on the other hand, represent the team members actively working on the project. They are fully committed and responsible for the project's success. Pigs are deeply involved in the daily tasks, and their commitment is crucial for achieving project goals. The analogy is often used during agile ceremonies, such as sprint planning, to clarify the roles and expectations of team members and stakeholders. It emphasizes the idea that while input from observers, chickens, is valuable, it's the commitment and work of the team members, pigs, that drive the project forward. Scrum, an agile framework for managing complex knowledge work. Organized into fixed-length iterations, sprints, with regular reviews and retrospectives. Roles include Scrum Master, Product Owner, and the development team. Example: developing a mobile app. Roles: Scrum Master, Product Owner, Development Team. Sprints: regular iterations with planning, review, and retrospective meetings. Kanban, visual management method for defining, managing, and improving services that deliver knowledge work. Focuses on continuous delivery and encourages real-time communication. Work is visualized on a board with columns representing different stages of the process. Example: content production. Visual board. Tasks move through columns representing stages, e.g., to do, in progress, done. Focus on continuous delivery and limiting work in progress. Lean, a production practice that considers the expenditure of resources for any goal other than the direct consumption of the target resource as wasteful and thus a target for elimination. Aimed at creating more value for customers with fewer resources. Example: manufacturing. Minimizing waste, optimizing efficiency, and delivering value to customers. Continuous improvement through the elimination of non-value added activities. PRINCE 2, projects in controlled environments. Process-driven methodology. Emphasizes dividing projects into manageable and controllable stages. Defines roles and responsibilities for project management team members. Example: government projects. Processes: starting up a project, initiating a project, managing stage boundaries, closing a project, etc. Emphasis on controlled, organized, and well-defined project stages. Critical path method, CPM, a mathematical algorithm used for scheduling and managing complex projects. Identifies the sequence of tasks that takes the longest time to complete, determining the critical path. Example: construction project. Identifying the sequence of tasks that determines the project's duration. Helps in scheduling activities and managing dependencies. PMBOK, Project Management Institute, project management body of knowledge. A set of standard guidelines, processes, and knowledge areas for project management. covers a wide range of topics and is often used in conjunction with other methodologies. Example: OIT Project O knowledge areas, project integration, scope, time, cost, quality, human resources, risk, etc. O provides a comprehensive guide to project management processes and best practices. Extreme Programming, XP, an agile methodology that focuses on improving software quality and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. Emphasizes frequent releases, continuous testing, and collaborative development. Example: O Software Development Team O practices, pair programming, continuous integration, test-driven development, TDD, O focus on improving software quality and responsiveness. Six Sigma, a set of techniques and tools for process improvement. Aims to improve process quality and efficiency by identifying and removing the causes of defects. Example: Process Improvement in Manufacturing, DMAIC methodology. Define, measure, analyze, improve, control, aims to reduce defects and variations in processes. RAD, Rapid Application Development, focuses on rapid prototyping and quick feedback. Iterative development with user feedback incorporated into each cycle. Emphasizes flexibility and adaptability to changes. Example: O Prototyping a mobile app. O emphasizes quick development cycles with user feedback. O Iterative development to rapidly create prototypes. Incremental Model, similar to the Waterfall model but with cycles of development. Each cycle represents a portion of the final product, allowing for incremental improvements and additions. Example: O Software Development with feature releases. O divides the system into small features, adding new features in incremental cycles. O allows for continuous integration of new functionalities. Feature-driven development, FDD, emphasizes building features in a planned and timely manner. Divides the system into small, well-defined features to be developed and integrated individually. Example: O Large Software Project. O emphasizes building features in a planned and timely manner. O features are designed, implemented, and reviewed individually. DevOps, an approach that combines software development, dev, and IT operations, ops. Aims to shorten the development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. Example: O Web Application Development and Deployment. O integrates development and operations to achieve continuous delivery. O aims to reduce the time between coding and production. Crystal, a family of agile methodologies with different characteristics tailored to project needs. Emphasizes the importance of people, interactions, community, skills, talents, and communications. Example: O Team-based software development. O adapts to the unique characteristics of the project and team. O prioritizes people, interactions, and communication. Dynamic Systems Development Method, DSDM, an agile framework that provides a set of principles and practices for rapid and flexible software development. Emphasizes user involvement and frequent delivery of a product. Example: O Software Development for Financial Services. O emphasizes user involvement and frequent delivery. O aims to deliver a working system within a fixed time frame. PRiSM, Projects Integrating Sustainable Methods, a project management methodology that incorporates sustainability principles. Focuses on minimizing environmental impact and maximizing social and economic benefits. Example: O Construction Project with Sustainable Practices. O incorporates sustainability principles into project management. O focuses on minimizing environmental impact. Event Chain Methodology, a method for modeling and analyzing project management uncertainties. Focuses on identifying and managing events and event chains that affect project schedules. Example: OIT project with uncertain dependencies. O identifies and manages events and event chains that can affect project schedules. O plans for uncertainties and mitigates risks. Benefit Realization Management, BRM, focuses on ensuring that projects deliver tangible benefits to the organization. Emphasizes tracking and measuring the actual realization of benefits over time. Example: O implementing a new ERP system. O focuses on tracking and measuring the actual realization of benefits over time. O ensures that the project delivers tangible value to the organization.